Hey there, car lovers! Today I'm taking you on an exclusive, behind-the-scenes tour of Ford's top-secret manufacturing plant in Chicago. This is where the magic happens for the 2025 Ford Explorer, a vehicle that's setting new standards in the SUV world. First off, let's talk about the tech. This factory is a marvel of modern engineering. Picture this: robotic arms swaying gracefully, automated guided vehicles zipping around, and state-of-the-art machinery assembling each Explorer with precision. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But what's really impressive is the attention to detail. Ford's engineers have left no stone unturned. Each part of the Explorer is meticulously crafted. From the sleek exterior panels to the high-performance powertrains, everything is designed to perfection. And the quality control? It's on another level. Every vehicle undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Ford's high standards. Now let's get into some specifics. One of the highlights of this factory is the advanced paint shop. Ford uses a cutting-edge, eco-friendly painting process that not only gives the Explorer its stunning finish, but also reduces environmental impact. It's a win-win. The assembly line is another jaw-dropping aspect. It's a synchronized ballet of humans and machines working in harmony. Skilled technicians and advanced robots collaborate to bring the Explorer to life. And the best part, the whole process is incredibly efficient. Ford has managed to streamline production without compromising on quality. And let's not forget about the interior. This is where the 2025 Explorer truly shines. The factory is equipped with the latest technology to ensure that every cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and luxury. From the premium materials to the cutting-edge infotainment system, no detail is overlooked. What's truly fascinating is how Ford integrates sustainability into its manufacturing process. The factory uses renewable energy sources, recycles materials, and implements green practices at every stage. It's a testament to Ford's commitment to building a better future. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the heart of Ford's top-secret Chicago factory. The 2025 Explorer isn't just a car. It's a masterpiece of engineering, innovation, and sustainability. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour. If you enjoyed this peek behind the curtain, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive content. See you next time.